Okay, so how your body works is that you have 24 spinal bones that wrap around your spinal cord for protection. It's like a suit of armor. And you have these discs in between, and you have these nerves that come out in between the bones. And these nerves carry vital, life-sustaining messages coming from the brain, down through the spinal cord, out through these nerves, to all your body parts, allows your body to function. So, if the spinal bones goes out of alignment, like I found a few bones out on you, it will choke on that nerve. It interferes with the messages going through that nerve to wherever the nerve's feeding to, the body will start breaking down. So what we're going to do is apply an adjustment, and we're going to correct those spinal bones, get them back in motion so the body functions better. Okay? Ready to get these spinal bones put back in alignment?
Yes.
Okay, let's go face down.
Yesterday, and then he kept falling off.
And on your back. Excellent. Okay. Power's on.
Thank you.